Oh no. Ako lahat. First fight. Corino.
Mondina.
Mighty Mouse. Marco Polo. And number 10, Duran. Manos de Piedras.
Black, white.
All right. Foul Mighty Mouse. Flores 2 points.
First foul. First team foul.
Lamparas. Okay. Second team foul. nakashoot?
Rep, sino nakashoot kanina? Brandon? Alright. Nalagay ko kay Gino.
Oh no.
Hey, look, hey, spread out, spread out. Hey, focus up, focus up. Hey, keep swinging. Hey, keep moving, keep moving.
Here comes the Mighty Mouse. Pass to Benitez for 3.
Nice shot. Keep moving. That's four. Hey, you don't drive it, stay low, don't jump. Look! Nice shot. Hey, help out on D. Help him out. I'll let him in. Spread out. Numbers. Nice.
Foul Anil.
First free throw, no good. Here comes the free throw of Mr. Mejia, no good. The second one is good.
Aniel?
I'll take middle now. Play inside.
Shoppers is leading by 1 now. Who's foul, ref? That's your second foul, Mr. Captain John. It's a 10-point lead now by Team Shockers.
3 points, Anil.
Let's go, Helms. Good take.
Nakaupo pa. Alright.
Magsasalta na ako. Here comes Lamparas for 2. The score is 28-37 for 2. Follow up by Mejia, no good. Now Corino. No, this is Benitez, I'm sorry. Benitez, pass to the Mighty Mouse. The Mighty Mouse guarded by Pistolero. To Corino for 3. No good, rebound by Benitez, pass to Lamparas. Good for 2. Oh, Mr. Puno, pumatakbo. Alright, for 2, we bring the ball. Give it to Gino Mejia, 2 points. Benitez, pass to Zeus, layup. 2 points. 7-point lead. Kung hindi po nagkakamali. Dugwit. Comes the Mighty Mouse, guarded by Pistolero. And for Baby Ama, look at Baby Ama. Wow, good defense. Pass to Gonzalez, rebound by Zeus. Follow up, no good. Bad pass there by Mr. Bourdieu. Turnover. That's second quarter. Mr. Puno.
Kuno mo na si, muna niyo. Pagulisan niyo, no?
Here comes Mr. Lamparas. Pass to the Mighty Mouse. Oh, nice pass to Gonzalez. No good. Rebound by Gonzalez. Pass to Zeus. Traveling. Yeah, you move your pivot foot.
Huh?
Now, Mr. Bourdieu.
Sabag.
Bourdieu, pass to Aniel. Eto na naman. Good defense. Oh, steal. It's a 4-on-1. Morales for 3. The score is 35-41.
Step on the shoe.
What?
Nice.
Ang ganda ng ginawa ni Mr. Kino doon. Veteran move by the Mr. Pistolero. Morales guarded by the Pistolero. Ang likod po ni Mr. Mighty Mouse. Pass to Marco Polo. For 3.
Alright, I'll go.
Oh, turnover. Stop, rep, stop.
Stop it.
Mr. Puno in. The captain, Brandon Mejia, out. Here comes Mr. Bourdieu. Bourdieu is like French. Now Mr. Puno to pass to Puno, Mejia. Oh, follow up by Mr. Aniel. 7.
Hey, 5 seconds. Go, go.
Morales. For 3. No good. Rebound by Aniel. Ang lakas ng Aniel na to. Nagmamadali. Pass to Baby Ama. Nice pass to Puno. Napitawad po. Here comes Mr. Bourdieu. Bourdieu. No good. Rebound by Flores. Up.
Marco! 8 seconds! Pass it up.
Rebound by Flores. Pass to Baby Ama. Kapitan. Pass to Flores. Good assist by Mr. Baby Ama. Sub?
Yeah.
Alright. Sub, dead ball. 3 points by Lamparas. No good. Rebound by Mr. Puno. Pass to Aniel. Si Aniel. Ang lakas itong batang to. Nice fake. No good. Rebound by... Okay.
Sub!
Sub, ramps up. Ayaw pa. Paano? G. Baby Ama out. Coming in is the Mr. Pistolero. Here comes steal! Mighty Mouse steal by Pistolero. The veterans move. Hang time, 2 points by Mr. Dalawa na pala sila, hindi ko na-score. Steal again. Nice shot. Alright, here comes Captain John Mondina. Okay, signaling the play. Pass to Marco Polo. Marco Polo, drive. No good, rebound by Bourdieu. Takbo na naman sila. Hagi sila. Back to back. Alright, here comes Mr. Benitez. 3-point shot by Mr. Benitez. Air ball. Here, rebound by Mr. Flores. Earns Flores. Shot. 2 points by Mr. Flores. The score is 35-51. Benitez pass to Mighty Mouse for 3. No good. Okay. Same ball. White ball. Mr. Bourdieu. Oh, sayang. Muntik na yung steal ni Mr. Captain Mondina. Mr. Puno for 3. Rebound by Duran. Here comes Benitez. Bad pass. It's a turnover. No good. They're enjoying because they're sharing the ball. Here comes Mejia again. 2 points by Mr. Gino, the Pistolero. Now Mr. Mighty Mouse. The Mighty Mouse for 3. Boom! That's your first 3 points here in the second.
Boom lang.
Boom lang. Hello, Mr. The Master Eddie Boy Piring.
Ay!
The Mighty Mouse. Pass to Captain Mondina. Back to the Mighty Mouse. Still. Nice pass. Toniel. Pass to Puno. Oh, pinasa po sa labas. Miscommunication. Sub, rep, sub. Okay, Marco Polo to the captain. Captain Mondina. Okay. Pass to Benitez. To Morales for 3. 3 points again by the Mighty Mouse. 12-point lead now by Team Chakras. 12.
Kaya oh, kaya. Nako.
Para meron ako hindi nata na score. 2 points by Mr. Flores.
Yung
45. 2, 4, 6, 8. 55. Tama pala, tama. Here comes Mr. Puno. Crossover, pass to Gino.
nakabukas yata yung aircon mo. Tama ba?
Hindi ko alam, man. Sino shoot, man?
Bunot.
Alright! Mr. Puno. Here comes Gino, crossover. Guarded by, oh, nice pass to Mr. Flores. Kumakamada po si Mr. Flores ngayon, ah. Okay, Mighty Mouse. Substitution, dead ball. Mighty Mouse. Nice! Ang likod! Push ball. Okay, black ball, sub. Pasok po. Pasok. Sub. The score is 41-59. Mr. Brandon! Wala! Nice layup move there by Mr. Mondina. Nice crossover by Mr. Morales to Gonzalez for 3. Scores 46-61. And one rep, and one. Counted? Okay. Mr. Bordeaux, 2 points.
Hey, akang sa hindi mo 8 minutes.
Alin?
Kasi kung nag-save niya, kasi third quarter na, no?
Hindi ko alam eh. Pinatay mo ba?
Oo, ano? Hindi ko na tayo.
Kanina pa naka... Ano to? Photo? Hindi, naka-record, di ba? Yan o.
Okay.
Nice.
8 minutes ulit.
Baka nag-save na.
Oo, nag-auto-save siguro.
Third quarter na, di ba? 1 minute na lang third quarter.
Yeah.
Go, let's go. Ben.
Kung Captain Mondina, nagmamadali. Oh, pinasa kay referee Arnel De Dios. Arnel De Gaspi. Bordeaux. Goes over. Pass to Gino. Nice pass to Aniel. 2 points. Gonzalez for 3. Rebound by Duran. Foul. Mr. Puno. Ay, no. Bordeaux.
Tapos na eh.
First shot by Mr. Duran. Alright, Bordeaux. Pass to Aniel. Aniel, the scoring machine. El Terrible. Terrible. Wala. Oh, turnover. 2 points by Mr. Bordeaux. Here comes the Mighty Mouse.
Oras, man. Ay. Sa kanan, Nel, sa kanan.
Mihia. Pinektosan pa. 2 points. Two points by Mr. Marco Lamparas. Baby Ama. Pass to Aniel. Aniel crossover. Crossover. Kita niyo yung crossover na yun? Wala pa yung tira niya. Here comes Morales. Pass to Captain Mondina. Black. Baby Ama. Pinasa po. Okay, naghintay. 3-point shot by the Pistolero.
Pinaasa lahat.
Sub, dead ball. 3-point shot by Mr. Lampara. Short. Sub, rep, sub. Sub. Alright, pasok na po. Uy! Kita yung thread na yun? Now, the Mighty Mouse for 3! No good. Rebound by Ernst. Nice pass to Baby Ama. Wala! Sinipat pa! Here comes Suscarino. Floater. No good. Now, good rebound there by Mr. Morales. 3-point shot by the Mighty Mouse. Scores 52-73. Now, the Baby Ama. Baby Ama. Nice pass to Bordeaux for 3. No good. Rebound by the Mighty Mouse. Grabe bumantay si Baby Ama. Oh, kita mo naman yan, ha? Gigil na gigil. Suscarino for 3. No good. Rebound by Bordeaux. Steal there by Zeus. Masipag dito si Zeus na to. Zeus. Dapat magpakawala to si Zeus ng matitinding mga thunder. Diba? Zeus Carino. Pass to the Mighty Mouse. The Mighty Mouse. 3-point shot. No good. Okay, white ball. Last touch by Mr. Marco Polo. Baby Ama. Masinda. Sumisipat. Oh, steal. Pinasa po sa kalaban. Zeus. No good. Malas po ang mga team Switch City. Nice pass to Flores. Alley-oop. 2 points by Mr. Flores. Madami nang ginagawa itong si Mr. Flores, ha? Oops. Bad pass. Substitution. All right. Come on. Pass to Aniel. To So baby ama, pumoste na agawan po. Oh, that still also by Mr. Aniel. Here comes Aniel for 3. 3 points. Nagagalit po si Mr. Magyama. Captain Mondina, pass to Gonzalez for 3. Short. Here comes Mr. Puno. Puno, nagmamadali. Alley-oop. No good. Rebound by Zeus. Rebound by Zeus Corino. Pass to the Mighty Mouse. 3 points.
Ilang tres na yun?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nakapitong 3 points na po yun.
Wala pa nakaka-break sa record ko. No?
Wala pa. 10. Our record is 10 3-pointers by Mr. Mejia. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul. Number 11.
Eddie Boy, lalaro ka?
Mighty Mouse. Sub rep, sub. Bibiana out. Coming in is Mr. Captain Ball. 3 points by Verdun.
And thanks for getting me backed up.
Tambak na po. Habol po. Here comes Morales. No good.
All the way.
Hinihintay pa. Kita niya hinihintay pa ni Brandon, ha?
Match up daw eh.
Here comes Zeus. Zeus Carino.
Brandon yung book niya dito.
Mighty Mouse for 3.
Oh, tuwid mo.
Rebound by Puno.
On the way.
Oh, kita mo yun? Nakangiti kasi, mag-layup eh.
Bumali yun eh.
Puno, rebound. Daniel, nice pass to Brandon. Brandon for 3. No good. Rebound by Captain Mondina. Mondina. Drive. Short. Daniel to Flores. Nice pass to Puno. 2 points by Mr. Puno. Nag-thank you ba? Nag-thank you po si Mr. Puno sa magandang pasa ni Mr. Flores. Score is 55-83.
Habol na
Sub?
kanina eh.
Sub? Okay. 3 points by Mr. Morales.
Binibit niya record ko ata.
Aniel, sidestep foul by Mr. Benitez. First foul, Mr. Benitez. Good morning, Team Gilas and Team STS. No good. Second shot, sinipat. Wala ulit. Rebound by Mr. Burtu. Pass to Brandon Mejia for 3. Wala. Rebound by Mighty Mouse. Austin Morales. Austin Morales. Oh!
Titirahin.
Titirahin mo pa si Mr. Mighty Mouse, ha? Foul. Aniel, second foul. Zeus Corino.
Sinulam.
Ang dami po eh.
3-point shot by Corino. Rebound by Borduo. Steal. Nice shot there by Mr. Captain.
Nice.
2 points na naman po kay Aniel. Sobra ka na, Aniel, ha? Another 3-point shot by Morales. No good. Rebound by Zeus. No good again.
3.
For 3, for 2. Rebound by Mondina. Nagmamadali. Nice pass to Morales for 3. No good again. Stop. No. Okay. Just 36 seconds remaining. 3-point shot by Mr. Bordeaux. Rebound again by Captain Mondina. Nice pass to Morales. 3-point shot by Gonzalez. No good. Last 21 seconds.
Tira doon, tira!
Ang layo! Ang layo! Okay. Time!